What's good with y'all? It's the Ghoul 247. Back with another video, and I don't know if I got good news or I just got some news for y'all. So I'm on the way. I'm about to leave now to pick up the Camry. So we got something to mess with for the meantime until I get everything situated, because I'm getting work done to the garage as far as my lights done, like I've been telling y'all. Getting some land cleared off really soon and just getting things situated. But yeah, it ain't a rush. My dad is taking me to go pick the car up now, so I'll see y'all when we get there. Yeah, I'm about to head up the road now. So, got it picked up. Sounding much better. I haven't taken her up the road yet, but we're about to take her out now. So dirty up in here. Definitely gotta clean the inside. Give it a good detailing sometime this week. I eventually gotta put the seat back in here. Well, put the seat in here because I never even put the new seat in there. What's good with y'all? So, as you see, it's a new day. Just getting back from the gym. I drove the car back home last night. It drives amazing. No lie. The money I put into it, it was worth it. For the drive home, it was worth it. So, sounds good. Pretty much what I gotta do now is, of course, get it painted, get the body work done. I'm thinking about putting the steering wheel on, because you know we got an aftermarket steering wheel. The car has been inspected, so I'm not worried about that situation. Just like this car. There's no reason why this car hasn't been inspected yet, which I'm in the silica right now, because of the steering wheel, and I have to get coilovers for this car. So that's a must before we get this car inspected. Other than that, this will be good to go. But yes, I'm on Marketplace talking to a few people. I came across a few sets of wheels that I really like. And you know, normally when I buy a car or a project, I get brand new wheels. But for the Camry, I don't think I'm gonna do that this time, because I'm about to put my money in other places towards other projects that I really, really want on this channel. So that's where my money gonna go. And as you know, I picked the Camry up as a work car. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna just fix that up, get it to a point where we can take it to meets and do all kind of other stuff and it still be nice. But I really want to use that as a work car. And then we still got the Mazda. That reminds me of the Mazda. So yes, I do have to get an engine for that. And I guess we could turn that into the work car and do something with the Camry. I don't know, sell it, whatever. We're gonna figure something out. But yeah, we're gonna check the Camry out. I can't pull it into the garage because, like I told you, I'm getting work done to the garage. So let me show y'all that.
Eventually.
So the day almost gone now. Did a lot of cleaning up around the house, so I can't even complain. But the main thing we need to do with this is clean this bad boy out. That's the first thing. But I know it's been a minute, so I'm gonna start it up for y'all. Got that low tone to it. I love it. Damn, I love the way this car sounds. The way it looks, not so much, but it sounds amazing. So my shop vac is inside the house. I'm gonna have to bring that out, wipe the car down. Pretty much, since today is almost over, I'm gonna go ahead and just try to give it a good detailing, do a little something, and then tomorrow we'll move forward with the other stuff like the steering wheel and just taking care of little stuff. I'm gonna reach out to a couple more people tonight on Marketplace about putting some wheels on here, and then the next step will be the coilovers. And then I'm gonna contact some company that does body work and paint jobs. Maybe we give Mako a run for their money, since they're cheaper and it's only a work car. I'm gonna see if they're able to fill out the little gaps around here. And I'm not sure if I like the rear bumper connected to the actual body of the car like this. I don't know. It's not too bad. bit better, but I'm not too sure. But yeah, the car's coming along, runs good, runs perfect. Just moving forward with the other little stuff now. So let's go ahead and get this cleaned out and we go from there.
That boy's just been on the car going crazy.
Got her all clean now. I took most of my time getting the glue. I don't know if y'all remember, but a whole bunch of glue and stuff right here from me putting it was some type of Alcantara material over top of this, because I was going to make this black, and it was just like double-sided tape and crap. So after I put it on there, it was just a whole bunch of sticky stuff that was left, so I had to get that off. And then pretty much wipe down the leather really good. The car had a weird smell from sitting out in the garage and in his yard for so long. Now I'm trying to make it smell fresh. I don't know, it's a really weird smell. So I'm gonna put some air fresheners in here. But it's really clean on the inside, for sure. Really clean. I'm just gonna have to put the carpet over there so it won't fade. But mind you, this is a 1997, I believe, and it just broke 200,000 miles, so it's a good car. But yeah, I'm about to just make the car smell good, find an air freshener so I can spray that in the car, grab one of them air fresheners from my other car, throw up in here. But I'll pick back up with y'all tomorrow. Good morning. It's another beautiful day. I'm gonna try to be productive today. So we up. I'm about to head out to the junkyard now. Gonna pull some stuff, maybe a new steering wheel. And I was just thinking about it. Talking to my cousin yesterday. So in order to get that car inspected, like I told y'all, I needed to get a new steering wheel. Mind you, I have two 90s Toyotas. So I'm pretty sure the steering wheel for that one will work. I'm about to get the airbag now just to see if it holds the same airbag. If so, we could just take that steering wheel, throw it on the Camry, throw it on the Silica, and call it a day. Look at this. I know it looked like shit, but I believe it's the same freaking steering wheel. And look at what we have here, matching. So it's the same steering wheel. So I can actually take this steering wheel off and put it on that car to make it easy for me if I don't find a steering wheel. All right, so we don't have to worry about getting a new steering wheel because this one clearly works for the other car. So we can go ahead and get that inspected. Just gotta get this coilovers, but let's make this ride. Try not to stay up there too long. Let's get on this road. All right, finally made it to the junkyard. Found a couple cylinders, but of course they all torn apart. Really didn't have anything I needed out of it. But you know, Camry is like the most common car you can find, so there's plenty of them here. I'm gonna get a few things. Matter of fact, as I'm speaking, I see the same color car that we're working on. So look at this. Hopefully we can get everything we need off this one car. Well, it's probably a slight color difference, but it should have everything that we need inside. Freaking empty. And the doors are locked. Great. Surprised ain't nobody busting window out. Can't use this because this cup holder, it's no good. That's really what I need, a cup holder, and just a little shit. But this car is no good. On to the next. bad news is they don't sell whole cars. So I'm about to go inside now to see if we can get an engine for the Mazda. And we can get that for a good price. I'll probably come up here and pick it up sometime this week. Hopefully they got one. But yeah, that's the thing. They just said they don't sell whole cars. So that would have been great if they did, but so I made it back home. I got a new sun visor for both of them. This is actually the old one. As you see, it's ripped. These are the new ones. Well, this is the new one for the other side. The only thing about this is for the base model, because I got the leather interior, so I got lights on mine. This doesn't. But eventually I'll probably get these ones again. I put this on because this was inside the garage. What we went to the junkyard for was to find a cup holder. I ended up finding one that has a working cup holder. Just gotta clean that out. What else did I get? Oh yeah, I ended up getting an engine cover for the freaking GMC, the Acadia. But that was it. That's all I really ended up getting. I apologize, my camera ended up dying when I was at the junkyard. I came across a couple cars that I was interested in buying, but like you seen in the video, they don't sell whole cars, they only sell parts. It was actually a Challenger. I seen a Charger. It was like whole cars. Looked like it just needed an axle, maybe some engine work, but if I could have got it for a good price, I might have asked if they would have sold it to me. It was actually a BMW too. I think it was like a 650, 645. So yeah, I would have definitely tried to get one of those. But that's gonna do it for this video. Y'all like, comment, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed this one. So we got a lot of things coming up. In 2 days, there's gonna be another private meet. So I'm gonna attend that. And then we're also gonna eventually install the aftermarket steering wheel on the Camry. Since this is now inspected, I don't have to worry about that anymore. And yeah, no telling what else we got next. So y'all turn on y'all post notifications. You don't want to miss the next video. And I appreciate y'all for watching this one. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. And that's going to do it for this one. So until next time, I'm out.